Moise's car. Then let's go check it out in the car. This is open. You know, open it, scissors.
Okay, open scissors.
Then you cut it.
Cut it. We cut it here.
There.
Okay, it's already cut. So cut it here. Cut it here.
There. Cut it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cut it.
Extend it. Stand open.
Okay. Okay.
Let's cut it.
Now
Then this open.
open. Pull it out.
Put it up in this
Pull
view.
it up.
Cut it.
Oh wow!
Oh, new car.
Wow! Look at that.
This is a driving
Okay,
car.
let's check it out.
Let's go cut it.
Let's cut it. It's a Jeep Wrangler. Yeah, we don't need to cut it. Let me take it out. That's the remote.
Oh, remote.
The remote is That's the only batteries. Then whoa, this
Oh.
no new.
Wow.
You got the batteries in small state. When I'm subscribe in my
Wow! Look
Oh,
at
wow.
that.
Then in the on switch it on.
Yeah, but before that, we gotta put the battery. Let's put the battery.
Then
It's in the bottom.
bottom.
Yeah, let's put the battery. Okay.
You put the battery on.
Yeah, let's put the battery on. It
Then
takes 3 battery here.
3 batteries here. And 4.
3 battery here.
Let's close it.
Yeah, 1 second.
Then on it.
Yeah,
Yes,
close it,
switch
bring on
it.
it. Okay, battery is in. Okay, then now we put the battery in the remote.
In the battery.
And the 2 battery in the remote.
2 batteries. And it's in the battery. 1, 2.
2.
2. How about that 2?
Okay,
Turn down
it's
2.
ready.
Then
There's a 10 on switch here.
turn on switch.
Turn it on. Okay, let's go and try.
No.
Let's try here.
Let's hit right.
Try. Go.
Easy now.
Try. Turn right.
Then the driving.
Ooh.
Use it.
Reverse.
Then you're ready to go. Go to the train.
Oh.
That's working. Using. And the car. You need it. There. And there. And there. The first. Driving a car. Need a car. Leading on the right. Driving.
Oh.
Driving. Then car. Then takes cutting.
That's how you drive. Forward and reverse, right and left. Okay, good.
We're sharing our friends and the other friends who want to subscribe my channel. Toys video. Say in the word. Bye.